Welcome back to DV Vlogs. Hi guys.
Hi.
It's early in the morning still, and this little fella's after eating loads of chocolate and he's wired to the moon. Wired to the moon.
And in Minecraft I made 2 food spawners. One has a baby and one's a staff to have a baby, and then I'm making another one, so that'll be 3. So
He's making stuff in Minecraft now.
One is grown up, so 2 gonna be ready. And I'm gonna make 100 of them, 20 of them. So peace out, God.
20 of them?
No, 20 of them.
20 of them?
Yeah. And
we're gonna go off on an adventure today. We're gonna go off for a walk, enjoy the day because it's a lovely day. So we're gonna go out and enjoy the day and make the most of the good day. So we're gonna go on a little adventure. We don't know where we're gonna go yet, but it's gonna be exciting. So tune in, guys. Guys, before we go out on our big adventure today, I'm gonna catch back up with my suntan while the sun is still here. I'm gonna go out and suntan myself, and then I'm gonna go and get a shower and a shave, feel all fresh. But before we go out on our big adventure today, I'm gonna catch back up because I need my skin needs the sun. We don't get sun here in Ireland. We get cold weather, rain, and horrible weather. Yeah, that's just basically it. But I'm gonna make use of this sun, catch back up my tan, and then go for our big adventure. Cheers, guys. You know where I love to go today? I love to go to the beach. It's a nice day for the beach. Only you can feel how hot it is here. It's so warm. But hopefully it sticks like this for the day now. It's so warm. So warm. It's about time though, because in Northern we don't usually get nice weather. We get horrible weather. Bad, rainy and cloudy and cold, but today and yesterday have been brilliant days. Nice to enjoy the days when they're here, but I wouldn't mind living in a foreign country, a hot country all the time, because I love the sun. My skin loves the sun as well. I go really brown. I don't usually need sun cream or anything like that, but I should be going away this year to Spain or something, so hopefully I'll be vlogging that. I went to Spain last year. We went to Salou. It was good. We brought the kids, but we didn't have Callum at the time, so it'd be nice to bring Callum. Yeah. The next vlog will be about my life, about about who I am and what kind of person I am, so stay tuned for that. Cheers, guys.
welcome to the DV folks. Today we're going to go on an adventure. Peace out, God. Look at that car, Daddy!
Guys, I had to show you that American style car. It was absolutely fabulous. Look at this stretch limo. But the fella who owns it, I don't know what he does with it, but it's an amazing looking car. We're just out on our adventure now. We're gonna go through the fields and see what we can do. But that car was just amazing. I had to show you. It was brilliant. But stay tuned, guys. Cheers. Yo, this is where we live. This is right outside our back garden. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. This is right outside our garden. We might as well call it our garden because it's right outside our house. Absolutely amazing. And it goes a lot. It goes on and on and on and on and on. It's an abandoned golf course. It's not used, but it's just so big. And there's loads of little lakes and all in it. It's gorgeous to go for a walk and have a little adventure. But we're having a great day, Alex. What?
Yeah, and this is cooked to all people. And when I go home, you have to see what I built.
Now, when we go home, you have to see what he built on Minecraft. He loves Minecraft, absolutely Minecraft mad. But let's speed up this journey just a small little bit and let's just take in some of the scenic route. Cheers, guys. Place is just truly amazing. It really is. We're just walking down a little hill here, sorry. But yeah, it's absolutely truly amazing to have this outside your back. It's the best thing. But it's good for walking, it's good for bringing your bike, it's good for picnics. So yeah, so I wanted to show you this little spot. And it's kind of our little secret, so I'm not going to tell you where exactly it is. But it's our little spot. It's just beautiful, beautiful. We're going up to my little favourite spot. I call it the relaxing bench. From whenever you're walking around, and it's a long walk, but whenever you're walking around, it's a nice little bench where you can sit at. But it's just, it faces a lake. And the view is just unbelievable. We're nearly there now, so I'll see us there. There's the bench. I'm not going to sit at it, I'm going to just keep walking so I can get home, because my son is complaining that he's too tired and he wants to go home.
And I want to show you my Minecraft
But this is what I wanted to show you, is all. It's absolutely beautiful.
And I want to show you my Minecraft
Absolutely beautiful.
I want to show you my Minecraft team when I go home. Peace out, guys.
And he wants to show you his Minecraft. So yeah, we're nearly home. We had a great walk. Lots of complaining, I'm too tired, are we nearly there? You know, that kind of way that I used to do when I was a kid. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you this bit about this little secret walk that I have, and I'll see you when I go home. How's it going, guys? Just on my way home again, But I thought I'd show you this burnt out car. Joyriders. That's exactly what they are. They probably bought a cheap car or robbed someone's car and thought this would be a good place here to go rallying. Thought it was a good idea. Absolutely wrecked.
The cutest one.
Oh no. And they did they?
Yes.
No, it's not. No, my son thought they killed the swan. But no, it's just a piece of fluff. It looks like a swan though. But yeah, they wrecked the car. Absolutely wrecked it. And we're just at home now, guys. So I'm bleeding starving. I'm so hungry. It's just, I think it's the weather and the long walk that I just had, but I'm absolutely starving. I'm going home to make myself some pork chops, mashed potatoes and vegetables. That's what I need now. A big man's dinner. See you soon. How's it going, guys? Just arrived home from my lovely big walk. I'm going to stick on some dinner for myself and the family. I'm starving. But my son wants you to have a look at his Minecraft. So do you mind doing that for me? Cheers.
Today we're going to show you all the mobs and how to make a villager team. Let's go into it. This is a villager, a zombie villager, two zombie villagers. You can do this, egg turns out back, zombie, witch, spider. The king spider's gone, probably just escaped. Braze, and second braze, creeper, I don't know what was there. Bat, Mavicules, and some things are gone. Now let's go to the building path. This is how to be a builder baby. Now, I've got to say one thing, guys. I got it. It's an Enderman. It's like Slenderman, guys. It's Enderman. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. I'm going to show you how to breed a builder. You do it any once. Hopefully when I'm done, they'll be back. Okay, let's go into it. You need glowstone.
Thank you for watching DB Vlogs. Tune in tomorrow for another deep into my life. I'm going to explain who I am and what I'm about tomorrow. So you know who you're dealing with and who you're following. So cheers, guys. Peace out and tune in tomorrow.